Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to unlock your iPhone using Face ID even though when you wear a mask. It's called Mask ID in iOS 14.5. Again, this method only works on iOS 14.5, which is still a beta version. Which means if you want your device to be unlocked using your face even though when you wear a mask, you need to upgrade your iOS device to iOS 14.5. How do you get iOS 14.5 if it's still beta? It's simple. You just go to the website I have included in the description. This website here, it's called betaprofiles.com. Again, it's in the description. You can check it out. So what you do is, right here, you see here iOS 14.5 beta 3. You click on download here. You just click on download anyways, and you click allow. They say profile downloaded. You just go to settings, and up here down there you will see profile downloading. Click view profiles, and then you click install. Type in your passcode, and it may ask you to restart your device. Just do so. Once you're done, you go to software update. You can see mine is already 14.5. You just go here and click on update. It will allow you to update to 14.5. Once you've done that, you need to also update your Apple Watch firmware as well, because this new feature called Mask ID on iOS 14.5 will only work if you have an Apple Watch. I know this method is kind of suck. I don't know why Apple do this, but this is how they implement it. It only works if you also own an Apple Watch, which have to be synced to that iPhone. For your Apple Watch, if you go to Watch app here, and you scroll down to General and Software Update, I used to come across a problem. When I try to install the WatchOS to 7.4, it doesn't show me like this. It just say I am at the latest version already, which is 7.3, and 7.3 you cannot activate the mask unlock. So what you do is you need to go to your Apple Watch. If this happened to you, if you come to the software update in your Apple Watch app here and you don't see this, you need to go to your Apple Watch. You go to its settings. So go to its settings here. And the same thing, you go to General and then Software Update. You need to click download and install from here, so that it will send this software update directly to your phone, and then your phone can now update it from there and send the updated thingy into this Apple Watch. So again, like I said, if you don't see the software update showing that you need to update your Apple Watch to WatchOS 7.4, just come to your Apple Watch, settings, General, Software Update, and you click download and install from here. Then it will allow you to install on your phone and then update that Apple Watch to WatchOS 7.4. And once you're done, the next step is you need to activate the unlock using the Apple Watch. Going to settings, then you go to here Face ID and passcode. Click on there, type in your passcode, then scroll down until you see unlock with Apple Watch. Here, this feature allows you to unlock your face of Mask ID. With you wearing mask, it's still unlocked. So you turn this on. I already turned it on. And again, you need to wear the Apple Watch to be able to unlock it. Here it says enter passcode or Face ID to unlock with Apple Watch. So again, you see, you have to type in the passcode first. Try again. It's unlocked. You can see I'm wearing mask there. Again. Unlock. You will feel the vibration on your wrist when it unlocked. Again, see it unlocked. Even I wear a mask here. So it works, but it's kind of slow because again it will take 2 steps in order to unlock. First, it will go through a normal step, which means it will look at your face. Then if it doesn't see your face, which include your eyes, your nose and your mouth, it will go through the second step, which means it will search for the nearest Apple Watch and unlock your device, your iPhone, using the Apple Watch. That's why it would take like a few seconds before it can unlock. But it only works to unlock the device. But Apple Store purchase or bank account authentication using your face, it will not work. Which means you will need to take off the mask. It's kind of stupid considering how many steps you have to go through in order to get this Mask ID work. But this is how Apple implement their Mask ID. Hopefully they would change this in the future so that it's easier and it's meaningful for us to go through all these steps in order to unlock our device using the mask. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.